Hi, this is Dr. Rahul Pandya. Welcome to our channel. Artificial intelligence is a method to incorporate human intelligence into machines employing a set of rules or algorithms. Whereas machine learning is a subset of AI which enables computers to learn from the data without using complex rules. It involves training a model from the datasets and predicting the outcome. Machine learning is a process that allows the computer to learn automatically through the prior data sets or experiences, train the model, improve, and predict the outcome accordingly without being explicitly programmed. On the other hand, deep learning is a further subset of machine learning that uses neural networks similar to the neurons working in the human brain, mimicking the human like behavior. Deep learning algorithms concentrate on the information processing and pattern recognition similar to our human brain. In contrast to machine learning, deep learning operates on larger data sets and prediction mechanism is self-administered. Furthermore, deep learning employs more than one layer or deep layers of neural networks to analyze the data and predict the outcome. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.